Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is searching for, and I'm getting the Elizabeth ready for departure here. My last step from that last video you saw was I tore the foot pedal apart with a power drive system. And I just received the new one, as you saw in that video prior. A little different setup. Pedal. There's your speed. There's your power setup. And then your momentary. This has got momentary, left, right. And there's your power. Well, unfortunately, thinking I could get a new one. Guess what? The plugs are different. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to tear the new one apart and see if it matches the old setup. And if that's the case, I'm going to be doing a modification. This has got the pins going in. This has got pins going in. This is a male. These are females. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, see if I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. This has 7 pins. So if the boards are the same, it just means that the plug is different. And with the plug being different, well, for $100, Vice buying an older one for $250. I've seen them as low as $150. I'm just going to see if I can adapt it. You can get a circuit board for this, but you got to do your own. You got to solder it, and I am not. I can solder, but I'm not going to. I'm not gonna waste my time doing that. This supposedly you can plug into your phone. So I'm taking this apart the other day. I'm going to take this one apart today. Okay. And the rest of it, where's my blue? Where's my needle hose? Alright. And then you just got these. Just got to remember which ones are which. You have a shorter one. These little springs. And that just dropped your pad out. So you got two short ones, two short ones and a long one. Okay, so now what do we got here? We got a little different. We got a little different board here. Just like it is. Beauty, beauty. And then I'll go ahead and do this one. And we gotta pull it apart then. That's the way you're gonna do it. Screw, probably didn't need it. Screw, but somebody's already been in on this, so and then opening this one up. Yeah, 2 longs and a short. Okay, we're good. Let's do it just like that. The screw I just took out goes together. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 2 different scenarios. Actually, the term over. Okay, we'll go long ways. As you can see, there's the circuit board for that one. Here's the circuit board for this one. This one's a little more in depth than this one is. So my concern is what we have for controlling wires. Now we're on tab. Now I pull more wire. Pull more screws apart here. I want to see yeah, screws are all the same. If our circuit breaker wire colors are the same. Let's see. I got all the same colors here. Okay, hold on, pull this one. Hot. We might all have all the same colors. If we do, then they all match up. The only difference is one, of course, difference is the plug is round. The other difference is it's also got male. The male plugs are, you've got your studs on the front side. All right, those are the same. All right, I'm going to flip this over. There we go. All right. Okay. There's the control. And what do we got for wires? I have red, I have white. Red, I have white. 1, 2, 3. Those are going over that. Orange is going here. I wonder how that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. This. Get a good shot of what I'm looking at. Okay. This has, as you're pushing, as you're sliding that up to 10. You're sliding it across this all the way out, just like that, okay? That's your speed. This one doesn't have that. This has a rotational, I think it's got almost a similar setup, but it's it rotates. So that's that. That takes care of your that, and those were normally watching see what we got. Looks like we have the same wiring though. Is that black and brown here? I have black and I have brown. So looks like we have pretty much the same wiring. So the yellow was on that outside. That yellow is going on the outside. It's just the board is designed different, but it looks like the wiring, all the wires are the same. Red, white, black, orange. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we have 6, 7, 8, 9. But I think my blue, I think those are going to this here. Don't have that. You don't have that with that. You don't have to worry about those wires with that. The black. I think that's all governed. All governed by black. And 6 wires here. And here. 7. 1, 2, 6. And 7. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on that. 1, 2, 3. There's only 6 in here. Well, they're not compatible, and I'm not seeing how I can make them compatible. If there was 7 and 7, there'd be no problem. Right now, I'm seeing 6 and 6. I'm stumped. And here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, like 8 wires, 8 or 9 wires in here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So it's still got to come over here. I'm going to save some video. I'll decide what I'm going to do in the end.